Hey guys, welcome back to HubClick. In this video, I'll be showing you how to reactivate Amazon Flex account. But first, check our special offer in the description. So let's get started. So if you want to activate or reactivate your Amazon Flex account, well, there are a few things that we need to understand here. Now, the way for you to reactivate your account is you need to reach out to support. Now, typically to reach out to support, you need to have their details. Now, typically, if you go to their support page, you should be able to see their number and as well as their email address. Now, this is directly from their support page. I still highly recommend you by going to flex.amazon.com/support to see the latest details. But yeah, so if you want to call them, you could contact the following number, which is going to be this number that you see here on our screen. And you could also send them an email via the following email address, which is Amazon Flex for us support@amazon.com. Now, the thing with this one is you need to mention that you need assistance on reactivating your account. So typically what you need to do, or the basic details that you may want to include in here, that includes your details, basic information, your full name, the email address that you'd use, your contact information, and all those basic stuff. Now, typically, just again, mention that you need assistance reactivating your account, and there's also a limit or a certain time you can only reactivate your account. That if not, like it's been like a year or two since your account has been deactivated, well, you may need to create a new account. Depends on what they will require from you. Now, again, just type in the necessary details here. They will reach out again to you, and they will ask you further information if needed to reactivate your account. But yeah, so in this case, that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.